because that's why I don't use it. It's hard on your fingers. If you're doing a finger and you're picking up, so usually no oil is better. So you can pick up like this, light, then you don't need reinforcement. Okay, but sometimes it can be bigger muscles. So with oil, it's a little bit harder to pick up. So you're basically going to go with your palm when it's bigger, and then you squeeze it, and then you lift. Okay, so you're gonna creating this squeeze, and then you lift. The difference is squeezing, you just squeeze, no lifting. Okay, so this is picking up. This is squeeze. This is squeeze and then pick up. Okay, because you need a squeeze to get a hold onto the muscle, and then you lift. Hold and lift like this. Okay, so the body should feel the lifting of the muscle. Okay, so you can do it basically anywhere, but with the oil it's difficult. We can also do it here as well. Like, try to pick it up. More skin now, because erector is usually really tight. You won't be able to pick it up.
For picking up, always covered by a sheet?
No, you can do it direct, but I already have oil on me, so I won't be able to pick up.
Without oil, it's easy.
Yeah, but smaller muscles, and you're probably going to be picking up easier with the fingers. Okay, but with the oil, it's difficult because it's gliding. So if any situation that you need to do a pickup, you can already apply the oil, then you can use a sheet and then you pick up. Okay.
How about if the patient's muscle is tough to pick?
Don't use this technique though. If it's tough, you cannot pick it up like here. I cannot pick it up because this is the skin and the fascia. I'm not picking up his muscle at all. This is only skin.
Oh.
So don't use this technique if you are not able to. Like this muscle, you'll be able to pick up because it's more outside.
Okay.
And don't pick up here, okay? It's gonna feel so weird. This one you might be able to pick up because it's like a bunch of muscle away from the bone, so then you can squeeze and pick up. Here is difficult actually because his calf is pretty tight. So squeeze and then pick it up, okay? So the theory is like that, but you don't use it very often, but at least you need to know. OSCE, usually you don't pick this technique, you won't have it in your OSCE. So more important is your stripping, your compression, knuckle kneading, knuckle stripping, thumb, finger, okay, finger kneading as well, finger stripping. When he's supine, you're probably gonna do more of a finger kind of stripping on the SCM here, this muscle here. Okay, so those one stripping is one direction along the fiber most of the time. Okay, unless it's a longer muscle. Okay, so stripping, the main difference is a stripping with the muscle direction, and then this you need to do circular. Any kind of kneading is a circular. That's the main difference. You need to show the examiner, I know the difference. When you said kneading, knuckle kneading, I do this. When you said this stripping, a knuckle stripping, I do this. Okay, so this is a group of muscle, we call it erector spinae. Okay, so if it says so if they said that do a knuckle stripping on the erector spinae, you're gonna do this. Okay, you're gonna strip it all the way up. Of course, you warm up first. Oh, the technique station, no warm up. Just do it. Okay, so you're gonna move together. When it gets closer to here, move, move, move. Okay, don't do this. Okay, okay. When it says knuckle kneading on the erector spinae, so you're gonna do this. Kneading, kneading, knead your way up. Okay, so increase pressure, release pressure. So here I'm hitting a little bit of bone, probably not comfortable. So you need to be careful with the your pressure. Okay, knead all the way up. Okay, so that's the main difference. Okay, Alpha Raj, you do all directions. You do whatever you need, as long because its main purpose is to transit and also spread the oil. Okay, whatever you need the oil, you just move your hand. But the difference is the pressure. Alpha Raj is very superficial. Okay, so same thing, you guys go